Welcome to the part 2 section of the cue card. Describe a mistake you have made, and the key points are what it is, when you made it, how you felt about it. And first of all, I would like to read the text, I mean to say cue card. After that, I will read the mini story, and mini story is the key point to get the fluency. It is very important if you want to be fluent. And if you already watched the part 1, then there is no need to tell you the instruction or our next topic, which is describe a volunteering experience you have had. So let's directly delve into the cue card. To error is human. There is no one in the world who never makes a mistake. I have also made many mistakes. One of them was when I purchased expensive Rolex watch from a website. My parents had warned me about internet fraud. This mistake had been done by me because I love watches. This thing happened last year. It was my cousin's wedding. However, due to the hectic schedule, I could not get the time to buy a new watch. Out of the blue, I saw an advertisement of an elegant watch when I was browsing the internet for work purpose. It was an advertisement on a shopping website. I really wanted to wear that watch at my cousin's wedding. I shared this thing with my father, but he refused to let me buy watch from a new website because cash on delivery option was not available. He thought we might find it difficult to return and got a refund in case of not getting the relevant watch. This thing made me sad, but instead of dropping the idea, I ordered the watch without letting my father know about it. It was my huge mistake. I did not even read the reviews of that website. I just waited for the delivery of that product. Alas, my parents were right. The website gave me horrible service. First of all, they did not deliver my product on time. I had to continuously call them to get the delivery of my product. Secondly, the watch was not the same. They sent me the wrong watch. My joy died down. I was so terrified to share this with my father because it cost me a fortune to buy it and I spent half of the savings on it. However, I had to share this with my family. They scolded me and tried to find a way to get a refund. But the website had no return, no refund policy. I regret on my decision even though my parents bought me a new watch for my cousin's wedding. I still feel miserable whenever I recall that incident. So this was the mistake I have made. Okay, it is time to read the mini story. Does human make mistakes? Yes, human does. Human makes mistakes. Does there anyone who never make mistakes? No, I don't think so. There is no one who never makes mistakes. Did I make mistake? Yes, I did. I made a mistake. Did I purchase something online? Yes, I did. I purchased something online. What did I purchase online? I purchased a watch online. Did I purchase offline? No, I didn't purchase offline. I purchased online. From where did I purchase? I purchased from a new website. Did my parents warn me? Yes, they did. They warned me. Why did my parents warn me? Because they were aware about internet frauds. Who told me about the internet frauds? My father. He told me about the internet frauds. Was I very busy on that time? Yes, I was very busy on that time. Was it my cousin's wedding? Yes, it was my cousin's wedding. Why I was very busy on that time? Because on that time my cousin was going to marry. Did I see an advertisement of an elegant watch? Yes, I saw an advertisement of an elegant watch. Was I browsing the internet? Yes, definitely. I was browsing the internet. Was I browsing the internet for work? Yes, I was browsing the internet for work. Was it an advertisement on shopping website? Yes, it was an advertisement on shopping website. Did I really want to wear that watch on my cousin's wedding? Yes, definitely I did. I really wanted to wear that watch on my cousin's wedding. Did I share this thing with my father? Yes, I shared this thing with my father. Did he ready to buy that watch online? No, he rejected. He rejected me to buy that watch online. Did I reject? Did he reject to buy that watch online? Yes, he rejected that to buy that watch online. Who rejected to buy that watch online? My father. My father rejected to buy that watch online. Why did he rejected to buy that watch online? Because they were aware. My parents were aware about the internet fraud, and that website also doesn't didn't have, I can say, cash on delivery policy. Was cash on delivery available on that website? No, the cash on delivery wasn't available on that time. Did it make me sad? Yes, it made me sad. Did I drop the idea? No, I didn't drop the idea. Did I order the watch? Yes, I ordered the watch. Did my father know about it? No, my father didn't know about it. Was it my huge mistake? Yes, it was. It was my huge mistake. Did I read the reviews of that website? No, I didn't read the reviews of that website. Did I do wait for the delivery? Yes, I do. Actually, I did. I did wait for the delivery. Were my parents right? Yes, they were right. My parents were right. Did website give me horrible service? Yes, that website gave me the horrible service. Did they deliver the product on time? No, they didn't deliver the product on time. Did they deliver the product very late? Yes, they did. They delivered the product very late. Did I continuously call them? Yes, I continuously called them. Did I continuously call them for pizza? No, I didn't continuously call them for pizza. Did I continuously call them for my product? Yes, I continuously called them for my product. Who continuously called them for the product? I continuously called them for the product. Did I get the same product? No, I didn't get the same product. Who didn't get the same product? I didn't get the same product. Did they send me the right watch? No, they didn't send me the right watch. Did they send me the wrong watch? Yes, they sent me the wrong watch. Who sent the wrong watch? That website or maybe their customer service, they sent me the wrong watch. Did my joy die down? Yes, my joy died down. Was I happy? No, I wasn't happy. Who was sad? I was sad. Why I was sad? Because they sent me the wrong watch. Was I afraid to share this with my father? Yes, I was afraid to share this with my father. But cost me a fortune to buy it. That watch. That watch cost me a fortune to buy it. Did I spend my entire savings on it? No, I didn't spend my entire savings on it. Did I spend my half of the savings on it? Yes, I spent my half of the savings on it. Who spent entire savings to buy a watch? No one. No one spent entire savings to buy a watch. Who spent half of the savings to buy a watch? I spent half of the savings to buy a watch. Did I spend half of the savings to buy a watch? Yes, I spent half of the savings to buy a watch. Did I share this with my family? No, I didn't share this with my family. Who shared this with my parents? No one. No one shared this with my parents. Did they scold me? Yes. When they got to know, they scolded me. Did they love me? No, they didn't love me. Who scolded me? My parents. They scolded me. Did they try to find a way to get a refund? Yes, they tried. They tried to find a way to get a refund. Did the website have refund policy? No. That website didn't have refund policy. Did the website have refund policy? No, the website didn't have refund policy. Did the website have return policy? No, the website didn't have return policy. Did I get my money back? No, I didn't get my money back. Did I successfully return the wrong product? No, I didn't successfully return the wrong product. Why I was not able to return the product successfully? Because they didn't have return and refund policy on that time? Was I happy on my decision? No, I wasn't happy on my decision. Was I sad on my decision? Yes, I was sad on my decision. Who regret on this decision? I regretted on that decision. Did I feel regret on my decision? Yes, I felt regret on my decision. Did my parents buy me a new watch on my cousin's wedding? Yes, they bought me a new watch on my cousin's wedding. Who bought me an who bought me an old watch of my cousin's wedding? No one. No one bought me an old watch for my cousin's wedding. Who bought me an old watch for my cousin's wedding? Again, no repetition, no one. Do I feel happy and joyful when I recall that incident? No, I didn't. I didn't feel happy and joyful when I recall that incident. Do I still feel miserable? Yes, when I recall that incident, I still feel miserable. When do I feel miserable? When I recall that incident again. Okay, now it is the end of this video. Thank you. Keep practicing. Bye bye.